President Joe Biden got his fourth COVID-19 shot Tuesday, while urging all Americans to do the same and to get used to annual boosters.
We're here with a simple message. Get vaccinated. Update your COVID vaccine. It's incredibly effective, but the truth is, not enough people are getting it.
The White House has asked Congress to approve $22 billion for COVID response. That hangs in the balance as voters head to the polls to elect new legislators in coming weeks.
We've been very clear with Congress for the past several months on how critical it is to continue this funding, to have our front foot, if you will, on making sure that we have new vaccines and making sure that we have the continued treatment to offer that to people for free.
The White House's top COVID-19 coordinator said global demand for vaccines has declined. And the White House told VOA that the U.S. has delivered about 600 million doses of its pledged donations. He urged Americans to support continued global assistance.
Beyond self-interest, America is a country that is deeply engaged in the world. The president has restored American leadership on global health in a way that was very different than the previous president. And so for a whole set of reasons, it's very, very important that America continue to lead. $4 billion is a small investment to make to better protect Americans and better protect the world.
Health experts agree, but they also say the response needs to evolve as the pandemic does.
There's very little we need to do right now to purchase more vaccines. We actually have purchased more than is needed. We now need to make sure we're turning vaccines into vaccinations to actually get shots in arms. In addition, we do need to purchase more of the oral antivirals because very few of those have been purchased for use outside the U.S. And we also have to invest in building the capacity in the health systems that need it so that patients can actually get tested and get access to treatments that will hopefully prevent severe disease, prevent hospitalizations, and prevent deaths.
White House officials acknowledge this is a big, expensive task. But as they await critical funding, they're urging all Americans to roll up their sleeves and do their part, shot by shot. Anita Powell, VOA News, the White House.